Hello my good man, I am Clyde fucking Cash. Now this is the story all about how I got Christian Weston Chandler sent to prison and raped by a black man in a pickle suit. This is a post from my forum, www.crapplacomputercompany.com/CWC. I called the fucking cops. I hate this. In his last 2 or 3 videos, Chris is obviously threatening violence against Clyde Cash. Whether or not he has any idea of who Cash actually is and the nature of the mess he's gotten himself into, he's threatening violence. That's against the law. Playing random internet pranks is not against the law. What ED does is not against the law. But this is against the law. This whole scenario reminds me of my teenage years engaging in pointless flamma wars on lame message boards. The only way to win the argument was to goad the other person into somehow breaking the rules of the message board. In this case, as expected, Chris himself was the first one to break the rules, so to speak, as he slowly spirals even deeper into madness and threatens to break Clyde Cash's apparently ghetto neck. Guys, I'm calling the police in Rutgersville and letting them know that he's lost his mind and is threatening random people with physical violence. I'm just letting you know that I've done this. I'm not doing it because I think it would be funny, or because I want to somehow save Chris from the trolls. I'm doing it because I don't want to hear on the news about a shooting at the University of Virginia. Unlikely Chris couldn't work again, or, more likely, reading the paper about him assaulting some random ghetto or other person whom he thinks is somehow related to the dreaded pickle suit. Those of you who are in this for the lulz, well, don't despair. Chris won't go to jail. If anything, the cops will probably just go talk to him. Then, one of 2 things will happen. 1, he'll survive the encounter in his current form and post a lot of angry videos about how everyone is against him, etc., but likely be too scared to actually do anything violent. Or 2, it'll completely destroy him and his family's structure, and you'll get to watch Chris gradually become a normal person, maybe get therapy, and work through all his problems. Sorry if any of you are horribly upset that I've done this. I don't really care. I don't blame anyone, including ED or the miscreants, for what's happened to Chris's mind. I'm unsure if I can actually blame Chris himself at this point, he's so far gone. Some folks are just hell-bent on completely failing at life until they completely go to ground and either never recover or gradually become people. Pity and related.